Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Thornhill and it's new arrivals day today. We are so excited. We have a few Charlie B drops which are just fantastic. Stay tuned because all the time now we're going to see lots of new arrivals, lots of new exciting things. So keep refreshing that new arrivals tab. Follow us on social media. Be sure to check your emails because so much excitement is coming your way from FashionWear Thornhill and FashionWearCanada.com. So this outfit that I'm wearing is just stunning, but before I even start, I'm going to call Belle on because we're kind of pretty in pink today.
Hi guys.
Pretty in pink.
Look at us with our pinks.
Looking great.
With these gorgeous sweaters. So she's wearing this brand new cardigan that we just received. I'm wearing this sweater that you can obviously keep the buttons up, wear as is, or you can even open the buttons, put a nice tank top underneath, and it fits to perfection.
It is, and these things, I have to say it, are soft like butter. This is all Charlie B, so look on our new arrival tabs. These are absolutely gorgeous. The sweater Belle's wearing is not Charlie B, but everything else is. These are cardigans, they have pockets. Where is my pocket there? They have pockets. They're just beautiful, these cardigans, and I like the length of them too.
Agreed. And this is the sweater up close. It is such a lightweight and easy fabric to wear. It's so comfortable. I think you can wear it in fall, you can wear it in winter, even heading in towards spring, I would say, because it's so light and very comfortable.
And now the jeans. These jeans, you can never have enough jeans. Now I want you to DM us for the link of any jean that you like. We will send it to you because these are superb. Look at this jean. It feels like nothing. It's absolutely soft like anything. The back pocket, it's a flat band, front pockets, it's just beautiful. So I have it on. They come small, medium, large, and extra large. I am wearing the small, so they are fabulous. In this cardigan, I'm wearing the small as well. Belle, you can go.
Yeah, these are the jeans
styles.
up close. These are the Charlie B's. I'm wearing the size small. They fit, they're very true to size, and you have the side pockets here, as well as the back pockets. They are like a wide leg, but they're so comfortable because you have the drawstring here and the stretchy elastic band, and these are perfect. So a staple, and you can never have enough jeans, right?
Absolutely. So you message us, tell us which ones your favorite were. I'm telling you, I cannot choose because they're both just fantastic, comfortable pull on, and as we said, you can never have enough jeans.
Never have enough jeans.
Right? So see you all soon. FashionWearCanada.com, FashionWear Thornhill, and have a beautiful day.
Bye.
Bye.